Hi everyone, my name is Tanya, and today I am very honored to be taking part in Altenew's Celebrating Parents blog hop. If you would like to find out more information on how you can join and donate some cards and get an opportunity to win some prizes, please visit my blog. The link will be in the description below. So today I am going to be using two of Altenew stamps. These are some of my favorites. I've got the basic borders and the many thanks stamp set. And I am going to be using a variety of Altenew's inks, and the names of the inks will pop up as we go along the video. And I am going to be making a rainbow inspired card using the basic border stamp. Now I absolutely love this stamp, and most of the times I'm not particularly bothered about whether a stamp has been aligned straight or not, but because this is a border stamp and I am doing a clean and simple card, I am using that L-shaped ruler which comes as part of the Misty Stamping Tools Creative Corners set, and I'm using the original size Misty, and I have chosen and lined up my first border from the set and inked it up with lavender fields, and as you can see I am inking it up and stamping it down. And the beauty again, as you know, of the Misty is that if you've missed any spots or if some part of the image hasn't aligned properly, then you can do your repeat stamping and it will stamp again in the same spot again and again. So I am lining up that L-shaped ruler, and I am laying down my my next stamp from the set, and I'm going to be using Starlight and inking that up and continuing to stamp that down. I really enjoy clean and simple card making as well as mixed media cards, depending on what I'm in the mood for. Um, and I wanted to make a thank you card in theme, uh, in line with the theme of the blog hop to celebrate parents. My parents are my heroes. They have sacrificed a lot to give me and my brother an amazing start in life, and we are so proud of them and to belong to the family that we do. And I absolutely adore my parents, and it's not very often that you get to say that out loud. So I dedicate this one to my parents, to Mama and Abu. I hope you watch this, and I love you so very much. So now I'm continuing to pick my stamps from the border set, and the idea is I'm sort of choosing some solid border stamps and then choosing like a stamp that is more widely spaced apart, and the next one I am using is, I think this is a star shape, and at this point my my camera cut off. I do apologize. So I had to move on to the next stamp which I chose, which is those tiny little dots, which I think is adorable. If you wanted to, you could do some diagonal stamping as well to create your border, but I really wanted to do some vertical stamping. So the last stamp that I chose was the one with the heart, and as you can see I chose my inks in rainbow order. Over here, well, when I was growing up I was taught that it was Vibgyor, and my husband, who was born and raised over here in the UK, he insists that it's Roy Gabev, and uh, that just doesn't sound right to me. Anyway, why don't you let me know in the comments below whether you were taught VibCure or the other way around in your school. Um, and we can have a nice conversation about it. So what I'm doing next is I am taking one of the sentiments from the stamp set Many Thanks. This is a lovely stamp set with a variety of different thank you sentiments on it. I think that you can never have too many thank you cards. Those are the kinds of cards that I tend to send out the most. And again, I used the L-shaped ruler from the Creative Corner set to line up my sentiments to make sure that they lined up straight. And when I am inking up very fine detailed sentiments like this, I tend to tap my stamp set very, very lightly with my ink pad so that I don't get like a shadowy or overstamped effect on my card. So I wanted to talk about this as well. I just recently got a bone folder, like a proper bone folder, and it's just absolutely changed my card making world. It was a bit more on the expensive side, but the way it folds down my corners so crisply is just an absolute dream, and I just wonder why I never bought one before. So to finish off my card, I am putting some foam tape underneath, and I'm mounting it on my A2 card base. And there you have it. Here are the finished cards. Here's one also next to it that I made before. I made some minor adjustments to the layout of the cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining in. Take care and have a lovely day, and visit the blog to find out more about the blog hop. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.